Hello guys, I am Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video, and today I will describe, I will make a tutorial from scratch of this effect. This is content example from Epic and this is Unreal Engine 4.27, but I will create this effect in Unreal Engine 5 from scratch, so you will have better understanding how these things working. Although this project is available to everyone and we can check this, but some people still struggle with to understand what is happening in the Niagara. Although you can open this file and just directly check what is happening, but still if I'll make a video from scratch, you will have better understanding how these things working. Okay, and maybe in future video I'll make more videos from this starter content file example. So I'll just minimize this, and I have open Unreal Engine 5 and this is empty project, and I'll just create a new level. Okay, so now I need three meshes like this, arrows, two mesh, one from where the particle will be in initial position, then they will transfer to the second position, and they also taking the color. So I'll show you how these changing the color. So I'll have this Maya open and I'll create a sphere, and not this, let's make the radius a bit higher and save this to desktop sphere, just the sphere or sphere 1. Okay, now I'll make a torus and make a radius, and this will be my torus 1 on desktop. Then I'll make a cone. Let's move this little up so pivot will be in the bottom of this. So export this. This is cone 1. So I have the oops, what happened? Cone 1 desktop export. Okay, now three mesh exported, and now here I will import all three meshes from my desktop. So cone, torus and sphere, and I don't need material here, so I will just import these meshes. Okay, and now I will create a Niagara particle system fountain, and this is FX. So I have this fountain here, and let's make some space here.